Hi, Ibovan. Welcome to the channel. You saw last video this car. I bought it 3,552. Then after that, I don't have any idea to what I'm going to do for this car. So I thought I will repair this car and sell after the repair. Then after that, my mind said no. We'll try another way because the many people take out the cars, repaired and sell. I don't want to go with the other people doing. However, I thought I will value add for this car. Then after that same time, my mind said no, don't try that way. Try to sell as a spare. So first thing I done, I at the eBay and say I have a 40k miles car for scrap. Then same time I add to Facebook, same ad, and say I have a 40k 2017 car. After 3 days, I got the inquiry from another customer, asked me how much for the engine. Then I'll price up for the engine. He said, okay, I'm coming to the engine, but he didn't turn up. Then same time, another customer called me and asked how much for the change the engine. He have a similar car. So I sign up with the second customer and he came with his car. Then after that, what I did, have a look. This is all engine from his car, and we installed this engine to his car. And after that, I covered my initial charges with the first attend without any hesitation. Also, yesterday, another buyer called me and he told he need a front driver side drive shaft. So I sold front driver side drive shaft, and this is the front passenger drive shaft is still here. Even not that. Have a look what happened to the inside. Wow. Can you see before like this car? Whatever buyers needed, I'll remove bits and bits and I'll send it to the them. Yeah, because of that we remove the whole dashboard and the back I'll show you. Yeah, all lot of bits and bits inside. I'll open boot for you. Lot of stuff inside. If someone need a more parts, still half a vehicle here, only the engine gone. Gearbox might be next week ready to go, but not sure yet. But however, at the moment I am doing well, and same time I am not going to stop from here. I decided to make my own website to sell like this part. That's my future plan. At the moment I am took initial stages and I got the slightly draft for the what I'm going to do with the platform, but however it will come sooner. All ideas I got from this car. Basically, when I bought this car, I thought I'm going to value add and sell this car, but if I do that way, that all things not come into my mind. What I did, eBay and Facebook, I done the advert. Then after that, people call, inquire. Then step by step, I came to this stage, and now I thought I will do platform to sell the spare parts or sell some items. Then might be future it will get more income to me. That's why I'll start from here. I'm not stop from here. Day to day, day to day, I'll use my sense brain, and now I thought I will do the platform at the moment. However, I'm not 100% sure. We'll see what happen in the future. At the moment, this is the state this car. If someone needed any parts from this car, still available, I'm happy to send the parts. Whatever you needed, please contact me. You can get this part very cheaper. Even that's my other plan. I don't want to sell this part for the market price. At the moment, I'm selling cheaper. If someone say, okay, this part 50 pound, I'll give 25, because at the moment I'm not losing anything. At the moment, whatever coming to me, I make a idea. That's a very important thing I got from this car, because when I started, I don't have any clue. Now I have some ideas what I'm going to do with this car. How am I recover my money? I already recover my money. That's a plus sign for me. Now I can play with, and I can turn this way, that way, take idea, plan my future. That's why you need to do too. That's why I'm here. I'm happy to help you. If you have someone, some ideas, please contact me. I'll help you, because when I start, I don't have any clue, but I using my sense bit and bit. Now I'll stand here, but I want to share my experience with you. So please come in, please start something. Don't think you need a huge money for the like this jobs. You can start with the small amount. If you need any help, if you need to create your YouTube channel, if you need to create thumbnails, if you need to do SEO, if you need to do platform, whatever, option with me. Please contact, comment section open for you. See you with the next video.